There's no doubt that this topper has given me that X factor, that magical transformation that I'm always looking for, that you can only really get from a healthy, thick head of hair to finish off your look. Please bear in mind, ladies, that this has come straight out of the box. This is absolutely what you can expect. I found that managing my hair loss is an everyday effort. It's a day-to-day challenge that I have to meet and master. And I really want to put my best foot forward, feel comfortable and confident in the way I look. This is where toppers really play an amazing role, and I'm going to review this topper. This is Savannah. She is 100% human hair. She's 16 inches long, and the density of the hair is around 130%. The base is very soft, smooth to the touch, and gives very good coverage at 9 inches by 9 inches. This silk top gives you the look of random hairs naturally growing out of your scalp. So I'm thinking that that tape is going to provide the security that I need. So I'm slipping the comb in, and before I stick her down, I'm balancing these two combs at the sides. Just a little press is all you need to give you that lovely sense of security. Couldn't be quicker and easier. You can imagine doing this just before work in the morning. The days of hours and hours of trying to make your hair look presentable are well and truly over, and wow. And look how easy it is to put your sunglasses up, and how natural it looks.